What up, though? It's me, Young Froggy, the God. All right, check it right off rip. This video is about 3 months old. Again, I said I was coming back and I didn't, but I'm gonna explain that later on. But check this out. I went out in the dark zone solo, as I do all the time, checking out the scene. This nerd decided to try some slick shit, so I had to go teabag him. As I did that, fucked him up. Niggas don't want to let me back in the door, so I'm like, hold up, who is that? So I see these niggas pop up, boom, boom. That's the old clan that I was in. These niggas max left the clan. This nigga, Superfly, he got me fucked up. And he gonna get fucked up in a second. I'm gonna handle that geek in a minute, so that's here nor there. But check this out. This is gonna be like a good 15-minute video. A lot of the clips is old. I've been saving them. I'm finna just start dumping these clips out because I haven't been playing this game at all. I've been playing X Defiant like every day. So I might upload some of that on here. I might make new channels for that. I don't know, but I'm having fun with that game. You know what I'm saying? I'm having a lot of fun with that game. But these nerds been doing a lot of shit talking on this game, and I've been having to serve their ass. You know what I'm saying? Because, bro, it don't matter if I stop playing this game for 2 years. When I come back, I'm whooping y'all ass like I never left. Like, y'all niggas not better than me. And I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking niggas up.
Who the fuck is Get Frog? Put some respect on my name.
Oh shit, it's Frog. Oh shit.
Alright, so I come out here to get my get back on this weak ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Because I joined this clan just because of one person, bro. Himmy. I was playing with him. We linked up in the DZ. He was cool. We played for about 2-3 weeks. Yes, when he joined the clan, I joined it. I had no fucking idea I joined the clan with a lot of these weak ass niggas that I've been whooping they fucking ass ever since the game fucking came. Or these, no, they Christmas dudes, bro. I've been whipping their ass since Christmas. 2 Christmases ago. But as this weak ass nigga come back out, come down here to try to come get me, like he thought he was going, he thought I was weak or something. But nah, he got his ass fucked up real quick. And yeah. But this commentary, you know, I ain't finna edit this voice over, none of that, bro. Teabag the fuck out this nerd.
Peanut butter
but
jelly
yeah,
time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There you go. There you go. There you go.
Now this next clip y'all finna watch, this nerd that I'm finna kill decided to teabag me, bro. Out of nowhere, it pissed me the fuck off. He get 1 kill and teabag me, so I made it my mission to kill him every time I seen him. And right now, we gonna have a good fight, and I'm gonna beat his motherfucking ass. You know what I'm saying? Because I done killed him 3 times before this. But now, boom, got your ass fucked up, nigga. And then the very next game, he on my team. So, you know, I had to let this nigga know, you got fucked up, nigga. Don't play with me. I ain't nothing to be played with, nigga. Put some respect on my name, nigga. Young Froggy. And I'm gone. And, yeah, nigga. And the rest of this shit gonna be nothing but straight killing, nigga. I'm fucking niggas up. You know what I'm saying? This right here is a cold clutch. So look at this shit, boy. Fucking these niggas up. I came back. I remember when I came back, I was playing a lot of conflict. And then these niggas, I was too much for them. It took me about a good week to understand what they was doing. And only thing I had to do to tweak my game is not be so aggressive. Because these niggas be camping in this shit. They like to hide around and do shit. So I couldn't just run around, just fucking shove like I do in the DV. So I had to slow it down. And I've been working these niggas ever since then. So yeah, the conflict niggas know me. These dark zone niggas know me. I've been putting it down. Laying motherfucking blueprints down. Laying motherfucking... I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about now. I'm just talking now. But I'm blowing niggas' backs out with this shotgun. I'm fucking niggas up. Alright, y'all boys, I'm gone though. Enjoy the rest of the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna upload some X Defiant. You know what I'm saying? If y'all been playing X Defiant, let me know. Here goes some more geeks that thought the shit was sweet. Over here phone me and all type of shit. I just be beating niggas the fuck up. They can't fuck with me, bro. You know what I'm saying? They cannot fuck with me, bro. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this footage of me beating these niggas' asses, bro. I'm gone.
fucking with me, man. He man, ski man, spending next week's cash. He fast, and I don't even need a G-Pass. I'm past that, I'm passing them out now, and you can't have that. And my chain too can't sound that. Tropical colors, you can't match that. Gotta be abstract. You catch my girl legs open, better smash that. Don't be surprised if she asks where the cash at. I see she wearing them jeans that show her butt crack. My girls can't wear that. Why? That's where my stash at. I put my Mac down. That's where you lack at. She need a candle lit, and I'ma wax that. I rekindled the flame. She remembered the name. It's Weezy baby, January, December the same. Mama give me that brain. Mama give me that good. Cause I'm the fireman. Yeah, the fire truck. On campus, it's the Birdman Jr. Money too long, teachers put away your rulers. Raw tune, not a cartoon. No shirt, tattoos, and some wall wounds. I'm hot, but the car cool. She wet, that's a carpool. Been in that water since a youngin', you just shark food. Quick draw McGraw, I went to art school. Yeah, the lights is bright, but I got a sharp fuse. Don't snooze, been handling the game so long, my thumb's bruised. Your new girlfriend is old news. We ain't got enough green and she's so blue. Yeah, cash money breakfast where dreams come true. Everything is easy, baby, leave it up to easy, baby. Put it in a pot, let it steam, let it brew. Now watch it melt, don't burn yourself, cuz. Myself, well, really not really. So heavy in the trunk, make the car pop a Billy. Who? We see baby, you call me young baby. My money 360, you only 180. Half of the game too lazy, still sleeping on me, but I'm about to wake them. Yeah, I'm about to take them to New Orleans and bake them. Yes, down here, take a walk with Satan. Yeah. Come on, mama, let the Carter make ya. Toss it like a fruit salad, strawberry grape, yeah. They ball when they can, and I'm ballin' by nature. Addicted to the game like Jordan and Peyton. Y'all in the racing, me, I'm at the finish line. Been running for too long, it's time to give me mine. Straight down your chimney and your living room is hot. Weezy, allergic to wintertime. On campus, it's the Birdman Jr. Money too long, teachers put away your rulers. Raw tune, not a cartoon. No shirt, tattoos, and some wall wounds. I'm hot, but the car cool. She wet, that's a carpool. Been in that water since a youngin', you just shark food. Quick draw McGraw, I went to art school. Yeah, the lights is bright, but I got a sharp fuse. Don't snooze, been handling the game so long, my thumb's bruised. Your new girlfriend is old news. You ain't got enough green and she's so blue. Yeah, cash money breakfast where dreams come true. Everything is easy, baby. Leave it up to Weezy, baby. Put it in a pot, let it steam, let it brew. Now watch it melt, don't burn yourself, cuz. Myself, well, really not really. So heavy in the trunk, make the car pop a Billy. Who? We see baby, you call me young baby. My money 360, you only 180. Half of the game too lazy, still sleeping on me, but I'm about to wake them. Yeah, I'm about to take them to New Orleans and bake them. Yes, down here, take a walk with Satan. Come on, mama, let the Carter make ya. toast you like a fruit salad, strawberry grape, yeah. They ball when they can, and I'm ballin' by nature. Addicted to the game like Jordan and Payton. Y'all in the racing, me I'm at the finish line. Been running for too long, it's time to give me mine. Straight down your chimney in your living room is Weezy, allergic to wintertime.
Rogue defender drone detected. Hostile defender drone detected. Detecting high threat enemy drone. An agent needs assistance. Rogue agent eliminated.
It's big on that 12 up you at. I bet I shake the room. Swerve. Skirt. Go ahead and shake the room. Go ahead and shake the room. I bet I shake the room. Wait. Swerve. How about I shake the room?
Quavo. How about I shake the room? Shake it. Chuck gon' sweep the broom. Everybody running and ducking, I'm clearing the room. Shoot one time, saying double time like you on shrooms. Shoot. On the other line, it's a fake time, saying nigga on the news. We bout to shake in this bitch. Shake. Frosted flake on the wrist. Ice. The gang ain't playing this shit. In New York, I got her shaking this bitch. Shake. Shake it up. Peel back your toothpaste. Peel it back. Money move to conversate. Money. Put 'em up on the plate. Put 'em up. Baby shaking in the way. She shake. Hit the flashlight to see her face. Flash. And she looking like a snack. Cute. Birkin bag on the way.
How about I shake the room? Swerve.
Skirt.
Go ahead and shake the room. Go ahead and shake the room.
Shake it.
How about I shake the room? Wait. Swerve. Baby, shake it. I pop a bird full amazing. Straight honey, no chaser. Niggas be talking hot till they get burned. I don't fuck with niggas cause these niggas be sure. Little niggas stay in your place, wait for your turn. Respect ain't given, nigga it's earned. In the Bugatti 5719 with bitch gas. Flag in the air, hold on. Ref. In a La Ferrari can't rank this. With a brown little thing, Reese's. Steven Victor in the pista. Dior got no creases. Or gallery. 6.1 for the painting. George Condos. Cost more than your condo. Wait. I bet I shake the room.